x square plus 7x, x square minus 3x, and x square plus 7 by 2x. What must be added to each of the following expressions to obtain a perfect square? To make each expression a perfect square, we have to make like x square plus bx plus b by 2 square. It means it will be x plus b by 2 whole square, and this one is a perfect square. So first, number A, here is a x square plus 7x. Here 7 is a coefficient of x, which is like b. It means b is a coefficient of x. So first we have to make b by 2, right? So here b equals to 7. So 7 by 2 square, it means 49 by 2. So add 49 by 4. This case we can write here x square plus 7x plus, once we add this 7 by 2 square, we will get x plus 7 by 2 whole square. Okay, so our answer, we will add 7 by 2 square, it means 49 by 2. So number A done. Number B, here is a x square minus 3x. So this case here is b equals to minus 3, because minus 3 is a coefficient of x. So our target to make this one b by 2 square. It means we can write b by 2 square. So it will be minus 3 by 2 square. So it will be 9 by 4. So our target, what we will must add it. So we can write here is x square minus 3x and then plus minus 3 by 2. It means it's a 9 by 4. If we write 9 by 4, it will be x minus 3 by 2 whole square, right? Look at this here, minus 3 by 2 square, it's equals to 9 by 4. It means against this one we can write in here, 3 by 2 whole square. It means this is a, it means a square minus, look, x square, it means a square minus 2 ab, a means x, b means 3 by 2, then plus b square. So 3 by 2 square. So this 2 and 2 out, we will get x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4. So we will add this 9 by 4. Our answer 9 by 4, right? So what will be the next one? Number C. Number C. Here is a x square plus 7 by 2x. Our target to find out that numbers or expressions, then it will become a perfect square. So it's like x square plus bx plus b by 2 square. So b is a coefficient of x. So here 7 by 2 is a coefficient of x. So we can write here b equals to 7 by 2. And then we will make b by 2. b by 2. That means 7 by 2 divide 2. It will be 7 by 2 times 1 by 2 equals to 7 by 4. And then b square, b by 2 square, b by 2 square. That means 7 by 4 square. it means 49 by 16, and we will add this one. So what will be result? It's a x square plus 7 by 2 x plus here is a 7 by 4 whole square. It means it will be perfect square like x plus 7 by 4 whole square. So what we will add? Answer, we will add 7 by 4 square or 49 by 16. This is our answer. So finally we have completed number A, B and C. I hope you cleared this one. Please subscribe my channel. From this channel you will get lots of things especially for quadratic equation. Thank you.